So I had a music video planned for this assignment, but after rendering it, Sony Vegas decided to corrupt the file, so instead of taking 5 more hours of my life editing a video I'll watch maybe once in my life, I'm gonna make the same kind of video I did for the last semester exam. So a surface area is defined as the area of such an outer part or uppermost layer, according to Google. But to put it bluntly, it's literally just the area of something's outside. So let's say you want to give your little 8-year-old nephew a can of Pringles for his birthday because you have no idea what he likes and aren't willing to talk to your family or be social to find out. You would cover the surface area with wrapping paper, and the total area of the paper you use to wrap is equivalent to the surface area. Pythagorean theorem is not only a geometric term, but the staple for angsty teens who have already somehow concluded that they're never going to use math in the real world. Saying things like, oh well, I can't file my taxes, but thank God I know the Pythagorean theorem. Anyway, the definition here is literally a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So if you had a triangle, and you had the lengths of everything but the hypotenuse, then what you would do is you would take those two lengths, the two smaller sides, square them, and add them up. And that would give you c squared. Then you find the square root of said c squared, and then you get the length of c. The net of a shape is basically what happens if you were to unfold it, or to take apart and lay all the pieces of a prism side by side. So the net of a cube or something like that would be 6 squares all set up in a way that if you fold them in the right way, then they would become a cube. Apothem is just the height of the inside of an equilateral triangle. You can't use the sides as height in equations and problems that need it, so you have to have the apothem, which is basically just a line going through the center of the triangle giving you its height. Volume is literally just how much a container can hold. If you had a 1 gallon empty milk jug and wanted to fill it back up with something, the maximum you can put in there is 1 gallon. That's its volume, 1 gallon. One of the easiest examples for a formula I can give you is a cylinder. What you would do is you would multiply the area of the base by how tall it is, and you have the volume, whether it be square inches or square centimeters or whatever. Okay, bye.